So hello guys, it's Dave Gen V here, and today guys I have no face camera, but we're gonna do some more add-ons. As you look, hey, my controls are broken. As you look at my inventory, what's that? It's a tornado. So this is an add-on of tornado. And then guys, if you want to know the seed of this villager, look at the description down below. So let's look what's in the chest, because I really want to open some chests every time I see them. Okay, there's some 2 diamonds, nice. Horse armor, 1 boots, 4 apples, 3 obsidians, and 1 bread. Not bad. So yeah, let's try spawning this tornado. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, let's try it in this cow if it's gonna be sucked. Whoa, wait, what? Oh, it's not gonna suck you. It's like nether bricks, wood, and sand. Is it following the cow? I thought this will like... Oh. Okay, let's try something crazy. Okay guys, be ready. Oh my! Did you saw that, guys? There's a lot of lag, but that was cool. This tornado is awesome. Look, there's thunders and stuff like that. So yeah guys, that's the tornado mod. Oh, it's right there. Let's spawn one of these tornadoes. It doesn't look like the tornado that's in my inventory, but great tornado. So guys, I think this is the shortest video I ever made, but thanks guys for watching. That's the tornado add-on. Why am I making this a lot of videos in one day? It's because I didn't do a video for a month. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Peace.